started it 4 or 5 times 10 minutes ago, and I let the starter rest, and now I'm going to try it again. I'm letting the glow plugs go out, and now it wants to crank. Now it wants to crank. You see it?
Yeah, I have it.
It's not quite cranking. You want to get the engine compartment, please? Get in a little bit. Okay, I'm going to try it one last time. I'm going to get the engine compartment.
Great.